Using Instagram stories is one of the best ways that you can engage with your audience. But what do you do when they're not engaging back? Today, I am sharing some tips on how you can boost your engagement rate through stories while also getting in touch with your audience. Hi, in case we haven't met yet, I'm Shannon and I help small businesses and creative entrepreneurs build a community, create an impact, and grow their business with social media. Okay, let's get straight to it. One of your main goals with Instagram stories is to create conversations which lead into relationships. You want your followers to DM you so you can eventually have the one-on-one conversations. And you want to create these conversations by responding to all of your DMs and your reactions. And on the flip side, you want to do the same thing to initiate the conversations. Reactions are when you post a story and somebody reacts to it with an emoji. Instead of just responding back with another emoji, take a second to think of a thoughtful response. Ask another question or say thank you. Here's a pro tip. If you are constantly getting the same reactions to the same story, create a response and save it so you can actually just copy and paste it to save yourself time. When I tell you to start the conversation or initiate the conversation, I want you to start using your story stickers. If you just throw up a story that is a simple picture of a product or a picture of whatever you're eating, this isn't inviting anybody in to have a conversation with you. However, if you are posting the exact same picture or story with a story sticker, you're asking people to engage with that particular story. Let me know in the comments below how many times you are actually utilizing the sticker feature in your Instagram stories. When you're using these stickers, you need to remember it's not all about you. You also are trying to get to know your community. So let's do a quick rundown of each sticker and a few ways of how to use them to boost your engagement. If you use the poll sticker, you are giving your audience a chance to insert their opinion. When you use this sticker, don't just use the answers as yes or no. Change them up, personalize them, have fun with it. This is actually my favorite sticker to use because it makes it way easier to initiate the conversation and keep the conversation going with the people that respond to the poll. In order to do this, you want to slide up your story where you can see the answers of each person who participated in the poll. Next to their handle, you'll see a little plain icon and you want to click on that and then you can respond to them in their DMs, where you are effectively taking the conversation from a poll and a simple story into a one-on-one, more personal conversation within your DMs. The question stickers are amazing because you can really use them to get to know your audience. What's your favorite coffee? What is your favorite season? Anything that applies to what you are talking about that day, ask your audience what their favorite version is or what their opinion is. This feature is also phenomenal for an Ask Me Anything, where your community gets a chance to ask you questions that you will answer throughout the day and share your responses for everybody to see. Quizzes are another phenomenal sticker that are a great way to get your audience to engage. They are like candy for your brain because we see them and we want to automatically interact with a quiz sticker. Be sure to utilize this feature in a way that will benefit your audience and involves them within the quiz as well. Also, when you set up a quiz sticker, Instagram requires you to have a correct answer. So if this does not apply to you, be sure to let your audience know there is no wrong answer. You are just kind of feeling them out and trying to see what their opinions are on the matter that you're asking about. Ideally, you want to be continuously interacting with the people that are interacting with your story stickers. And for this reason, I don't recommend using more than 1, 2 at the most stickers a day, because then you're going to get overwhelmed with the amount of people that you are starting conversations with. If you put together a strategic plan on using your stories or a schedule that you can stick consistently to, you do not have to post 2 stories every day or post 20 stories a day to effectively boost your engagement. You just need to be a little more thoughtful and strategic about the process. And by using these stickers in a really purposeful way, you will be able to easily boost your engagement with your stories very quickly. So these are my ideas for Instagram stories to help boost engagement, get more views, and have your audience keep coming back for more. If you loved these tips, be sure to check out this video here where I discuss how to grow Instagram organically in 2022. And don't forget to leave a like on the video, hit subscribe, and let me know what your story strategy is in the comments below. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.